Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wix Fundamentals for the Wix user. Another quick video, not necessarily for any specific user this time around, but I have seen a couple different users posting some issues regarding their Wix editor, acting funny, even their actual website. For some reason, something was acting weird. So there are few steps you can take on your own to try to remedy the issue prior to reaching out to Wix support. Nothing wrong with reaching out with Wix support. You can actually reach them at support@wix.com or wix.com/support. Because there are some times where no matter what you do, you're going to need some help from them. So the first thing you want to do, anytime the Wix editor itself is acting funny, is clear your internet cache, however you want to say it. If you use Google Chrome, open up your browser, click on the three dots here, go to your settings. You're going to need to go down to Advanced, clear browsing data, and just clear your data. Sometimes your internet history can actually mess up with the browser. Maybe the editor did some type of update and the browser isn't seeing it because of the internet history. Firefox is almost the exact same steps to do that. Speaking of Firefox, sometimes Google Chrome and Internet Explorer, they don't necessarily act nicely with the editor. Firefox, from my understanding, is the most compatible with the editor. I edit in Chrome. I just use Chrome for everything. But if I do have any issues with the editor, if the editor starts to act wonky on me, I will try in Firefox to see if it's the editor or to see if it's the browser. And sometimes it actually has been the browser, not the editor. The next step would then be to go to your Wix editor. Now that you're in your editor, a quick kind of simple troubleshooting step I take is just literally to duplicate your site. Go to Quick Actions, duplicate your site, name it whatever you want to name it, and click Duplicate. So if your issue you're having is in the actual editor, open the editor, see if the issue is still there. If the issue is on your actual live site, one of the users on Facebook is noticing her images are blurry. Publish the site. Publish the site under the free, don't connect in a domain, nothing. And see if you notice that the issue that you're having on your live site is still there. The only time I would not do this is if you have Wix code on your site, connected to a database, anything that's intricate like that. I wouldn't necessarily duplicate your site because the database that is connected to that site, that by duplicating your site, you may actually cause more problems in the duplicate than not. That's the time to reach out to Wix support. So if you have more than just the basic editor that you're actually using some code, just reach out to Wix support. That's kind of the easiest step to take. But if you have a basic site that you don't have any code, duplicate your site. You're not going to hurt anything. It's not going to mess anything up with the regular site that has your domain on it. But that's a good kind of troubleshooting to tell, is it just your site went weird for some reason? Is there an issue with your actual site? The other thing you can do is in the duplicate, mess around with some things. change some settings around, and publish it again. Does that change how the website looks? Does it change how something's acting in the editor? That again does not mess with your anything on your current website. Another thing is if it works, you duplicate it, all the issues are gone. It's a matter of transferring your domain to that duplicate and publishing again to basically attach now your domain to that duplicate site. There are some people that say about doing a 301 redirect, which we could go over in a different video. And that's up to you. It may not be a bad idea. Just to be safe, to make sure everything that Google realizes that that's still the same site. It's still connected to Wix. It's still connected to that same domain. So technically there shouldn't be any issues. But it may not be a bad idea. Those are two quick, simple steps to take if your Wix website goes weird for some reason. Again, if none of the troubleshooting steps work for you, reach out to Wix support. Again, email is support@wix.com, or you can go to wix.com/support. If you go to the /support on wix.com, you can actually schedule a callback from one of the support team. So you can actually talk with someone live. So again, a couple quick, simple steps to take to troubleshoot any Wix issues you're having. If you like the video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Make sure to like our YouTube channel. That should be popping up at the bottom of the screen now. And don't forget to check out some of the other videos that we've created. If you have any questions, reach out to us on the Facebook page, Wix Fundamentals for Wix Users, and have a great night.